Hey there, fellow content creators, are you ready to take your videos to the next level? If so, you'll want to check out the best AI video generators that I've discovered. Trust me, they're game changers. First up, we have Dream by Adobe. This awesome tool lets you create videos with just your voice using text-to-speech technology. It's super easy to use and offers a huge library of music and sounds to choose from. Plus, it includes a powerful image and video library that will make your content stand out. Next on our list is Midjourney 5. I absolutely love this AI art generator because it allows me to create stunning visuals for my content without breaking the bank. It's fantastic for creating covers, thumbnails, and more. And the best part? You can even generate images based on prompts like a photo of me or a photo of my room. Midjourney 5 is a must-try for all creators. Last but not least, we have ChatGPT for video editing purposes. This powerful tool has revolutionized the way we create content by generating scripts for our videos based on prompts like "How do I start my first TikTok?"